Alright, just over this rock. Here's my first seal I got to see. Here we go. Seen it yet. It's just down that sea. Sucking up the wall. Really loving every bit of it. It just looks like a rock. Like a nice, comfortable, firm rock. I don't want to disturb it. I'll let him be, eh? How cool is he? Oh, shit. Fuck, you see me. Sorry, I wasn't trying to wake you up. I was just gonna sneak past, buddy. Got up for a pose. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm right up here. Trying not to bother you whatsoever. I was trying my hardest, you didn't see me. I was just about to sneak off. You go back to sleep. Look at his feet. Wow. Somewhere along the lines they, I don't know, maybe they're always, I don't know. They say because they got toes in it. Wow, look at that, he's got a little tail. I didn't know they had little tails. Shut up. No fucking way. Oh, look at you. Shut up. Fuck, I did not know, as silly as that sounds, I didn't know they had little tiny tails like that. Alright, buddy, I'm going. You're alright. Go and lay back down and go to sleep. No one's gonna bother you. Alright? Alright? I'm off. I'm going this way. See? He's telling me to fuck off, look. Fuck off, mate. Well, I gotta go this way.